Welcome to Programming Corner. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. Today I am going to discuss Android learning from scratch. That is, if you are a beginner to this field, surely this video will help you to develop a app. First of all, start a Android new project. Give a name and specify which folder you want to save this project. In my view, you should give a separate folder for each project. Write the name. If you want to know the installation and all about Android, please check my video Android installation 2019. I will give the link in the last of this video. Okay, today I am going to discuss Android views. What is a view in Android? It is a rectangular content in the app. It can be a image, text, or button or anything app can display. That is a view in Android. The individual view makeup we called a layout. And whatever things you are interacted in your app is a user interface. And already loaded the new project. Here I am mainly discussing about two views, text view and image view. It will take little bit time. Okay, finally it is loaded. This is the project structure and you should see activity main XML where you going to design your app. It have a design phase and a test phase. Here already displayed hello world. It's a already written program in the Android. Activity main doc XML and the core code in Java and the activity file is present in the layout folder, that is resource layout and activity. Next I am going to write some code here. Android Android background. I'm going to give some dark color. It will not display the text. Black and the test color is also black. then it will not display. This is one of the attribute of test view. Going to change it. Now I'm going to give some orange color, then it will showing the test. This is the one of the attribute Android background. If anything you can write the like happy birthday, anything. Here the height and width is wrap content. That means it precisely set the width and height based on the content inside of it. That is the test view size is precisely set the content of the test. Here I changed it to DP, that is independent pixel. Then it is changed it to that height and width. If we change it to again wrap content, it will only take the precise size of the test inside it. Please check the difference. I'm written here again wrap content. Check the width is set to the size of the test inside it. These are some of the basic things in this Android. I am discussing this for beginners. Now the height also set to the content of test inside it. Okay, this is one of the attribute Android layout width and height. And also one of the attribute is test size. You can give separate size for your test. Okay, very small size. I think I forgot to write 5. That is, I only gave 4. That is the small one. Okay, I'm going to give some 44, 45, something like that. Now it's hello birthday. I forgot to write happy. Next one. These all are some basic attributes of test view. Uh, please check the uh, tag test view. Please write the first letter T and V in capital letters. We will give for this some term is used like camel something. That means the T and V is capital. Next, I am going to discuss the another important view, image view. There are reason because I write in small letter. So please note it. You should write the first letter image I and view V in capital letters. I will discuss these commands and all later. Now we are adding a image to our app. That code is Android source. That is equal to give the folder name. I already pasted the image here. Just copy your image and right click in drawable and paste. Just check in resource folder, one of the folder is drawable, and right click it and paste the image you already copied. Then that name will automatically came here. Yes, the image is loaded now. The test view went down because I wrote both of the views separately, not in a view group. I will discuss that in next video. So the image is loaded. Just writing one of its another one scale type, that is center. These are all about image view. Hope you all got the simple basic ideas of view. In next video, I am going to discuss about view groups. That is linear layout. One of the linear layout. Thank you for watching. If you want to get my new videos, please press subscribe button and press the bell icon to get my notifications.